hours later.
Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. Today is Sunday and it's actually New Year's Eve. Clay is here with me.
Hey guys.
We also have both dogs over here. Clay's roommate's dog and my roommate's dog. Ollie? This is Ollie. Come here, Stella. Come here. And there they are. Oh, you guys are so cute. Clay and I are making some chip dip right now. It's a recipe from my sister that she makes literally every time our family gets together. So I am super excited to make it here for myself for the first time. And I did this first time. So we just put that into the crock pot over yonder where Clay is. And we went and got some wine, and then Clay and I are gonna chill out here for New Year's Eve and just have a low-key New Year's Eve. So I'm pretty excited about that. Right now, the Panthers are playing, so go Panthers. And we're just gonna chill out, and I have the dip on, so it should heat up, and then we're gonna mix it all together, and it'll be really delicious. So if you guys wanna give it a try, I will have the little recipe down below in the description box for you guys. Super easy, super delicious, great if you're like getting a bunch of people together, or if you just really like chips and dip like we do, so. Stella, that's Ollie. What is it, Ollie? Hey, you guys made a mess. You made a mess. Thank you. You want it? Ah. Where'd your girlfriend go? Ready? Sit. Can you sit? Good boy. Go get it. I'm gonna show you guys my favorite wine to get. This is like the best if you are like me and you're a lover of wine, especially Moscato. This is my favorite to get because then I don't have to buy a ton of bottles over and over and over again. So if I ever just want a casual glass, I have it here in my fridge. So this is my favorite. Talking about my wine. This is the one I get. It's Moscato. It comes in a box. And it's great because it's got a little nozzle here and you can pour it whenever you want. But we gotta save it for later. Yeah, this dip is so ready now. Yeah, you want me to bring some? I wish you guys could smell this because it smells delicious. I'm so excited to eat this. We're about to put some in a little bowl, get some little Tostito chips, and enjoy it.
Yes.
Clay's a good boyfriend. Put the frozen pizza in. This time I got, oh, there's pepperonis totally over the half line. It was supposed to be half and half, but clearly pepperonis are on my half. So excited for this to cook. Are you excited? It looks so good.
You got that cool Filipino.
Yeah, look at that pizza. I think this is DiGiorno, right? I'm pretty sure it's DiGiorno.
Probably.
We got DiGiorno pizza, and I'm so excited to eat it. It's gonna be really good.
It's not delivery, it's DiGiorno.
It's DiGiorno. We're spoiling ourselves tonight.
New Year's Eve.
We've got wine, we've got chips and dip, we've got some Sour Patch Kids, and pizza. With spoiling ourselves. Spoiling ourselves.
What was it? They didn't want me to know.
It's all out of focus anyways. Nice hat.
Thank you. Alright guys, so we're here folding laundry. We got our shirts. We got my boxers. Lauren's watching her YouTube videos. Who are you watching today?
Kaylin Nicholson.
There you go guys, he got it straight from the source. Kaylin Nicholson is the person to watch. Besides Lauren Nicole, of course.
I'm gonna go finish folding clothes. BRB. So one of my New Year's goals is actually to be more responsible, but I have a lot of sub goals underneath that. And one of those is to be more clean and keep my things more clean and tidy. So that includes doing my laundry and actually putting it away on time and appropriately before it gets wrinkled, and not just let it sit on my floor and collect until I want to wear it. So that's why I had to go and do my laundry, because it's New Year's Eve and I shouldn't wait until New Year's Day to start my resolutions. And if you want to see more about my New Year's resolutions and things that I'm going to be focusing on this year, some of my goals, and all of my subcategories and how I'm going to accomplish them, as well as other things I want to leave behind in 2017, habits that I want to get rid of, you can go and check out my last blog post. It is at simplesouthernbelle.net. I always have a link down below in the description box for you guys, and you guys can read a little bit more about some of my goals. If you want me to do a whole video on that, comment down below and let me know. BT Dubs, do you guys like this sweatshirt? This is one of my gifts from Clay, and if you don't understand this, we can't be friends. Just kidding. It's from Stranger Things, which is a TV show, and it's great.
Okay, go.
I really like this. I got an actual, what is this called? Tripod.
Gorilla Pod.
I got a Gorilla Pod for this camera because if I'm gonna be a real vlogger, then I gotta have the real vlogger tripod, like all of them. And now it's cool because I could hook it on weird things that tripods don't normally go, like my cabinets in my kitchen. So now when I want to vlog in my kitchen, I can put the tripod on weird objects like this, and then my camera sits on top and then it looks at me. And that's how I got my awesome shots when I was cooking this, and how we just took our thumbnail. It's lit. Oh, I guess this isn't Gorilla Pod. It's called Joby. I got it from Best Buy. I'll link it down below for you guys if you're interested in it. This is how we're bringing in the New Year's. I won't.
But Evan's weed dealer made me a quesadilla. It's really nice.
I'm ready.
Go on. Go on. Did she make excuses to establish physical contact with you?
It was so annoying. One, I hated it.
I could tell I said that. I liked it, and you're like, yeah, I hated it, but it was great.
I liked it. It was still funny, but like, Andy pissed me off. They can kiss once in a while.
I liked the episode where Michael was proposing to Holly, and they're like,
What's up, you guys? It's later. What time is it, Clay? 11:13 p.m. We are watching the New Year's Eve special from like New York, the ball drop, whatever. And we played What Do You Meme? Rachel's home. It was like super black. You just come out of the dark. We're gonna go and get Taco Bell to ring in the new year. Yeah. We still have all this gold tinsel up from the graduation. So we'll pretend like we're going out and being festive and special. But we're gonna go and get Taco Bell. I'm super excited. Rachel's got her dollars. The Slow Zam 4 whole doll ears. Oh. But we're gonna go get some Taco Bell and come back here and chill, hopefully before the ball drops. We got 45 minutes. Taco Bell is like not even 5 minutes away from where we live, so we'll probably be back, hopefully, unless it's like one of those times that we go to Taco Bell and there's like 10,000 people in line and the workers are slow.
Okay, 495 on the second.
Can I just get a beef tasting?
Beef case burrito?
Yep. Where are more cups? Clay, look for cups back there.
Taco Bell.
My water bottle.
We made it home. Time to eat the Taco Bell and enjoy the New Year's Eve show. Isn't it weird that it's already the New Year's somewhere else though? Like everywhere else.
It was New Year's in Australia at like lunchtime today.
Yeah, isn't that crazy? 15.
I forget, someone's like somewhere. Yeah, it was already.
11.
10, 9, 8.
Why aren't you counting,
7,
Rachel? 6, 5,
4, 3, 2, 1.
Happiness! Aww. Such a good beard.
It's
Happy
2018.
Woohoo! Look at all the confetti. That's so
The clock still
exciting.
says 11:59.
Ah! It's not the new year in our apartment. Their clock is off. Let's see, what do the iPhones say? iPhone says 12. Oh, now it's 12 there. Alright guys, we're calling it a good night. Happy New Year. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And I hope you guys are excited for this year because I'll be making a lot more videos, blogs, blog posts, and exciting stuff. So
Like the video, subscribe down below. Everyone have a happy new year.
Comment down below.
Leave your comments on what your New Year's resolutions are.
There you go. See you guys in the next vlog. Bye.
Bye.